gym. We are in Maryland. I have to take care of some business.
Yeah.
So we decided to take you guys with us. Right now we're at a hotel, we're in the pool.
Yeah.
Just 5 feet because this water is kind of like cool, but it's really nice and warm and relaxing in here.
And it's very deep and I don't want to drown and my mom don't want to drown, so.
Yes, it's very deep. So that's why we're just sitting here. Just,
It looks like it's 100 deep. It looks like it, but it looks like right now. It looks like it's like a little bit deep, but it's a lot deeper.
yes, the water's deep. So.
And we can't dive. If somebody dives, they will hurt their head.
Yes, they will hurt their head. So. Yes, they will get an injury. So we're just relaxing, and we're gonna take you back upstairs with us, and just wanted you to do some things with us. So before we start in this vlog, please comment, like, and what should they do?
Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Yes, hit that notification bell and share the video. Yes. So this water feels so good, guys. I just wanted to come out in the pool area while it was open and just relax, soak my feet. I'm not putting my whole body up in here because
She didn't want to drown.
I'm not a swimmer. Sit back, baby. Yeah, so this is the pool. Nice and relaxing. I didn't bring any bathing suits. I didn't bring any bathing suits, guys, because I didn't know that the pool was going to be open. Okay, guys, so we got the Snoop Doggy Dogg nacho chips, and this is cheddar barbecue. Comment below if you guys tried these nacho chips barbecue. These is by Snoop Doggy Dogg, y'all. So
with so much drama in the LBC, it's kind of hard being Snoop D-O-double G.
we're gonna try these.
These are so good.
You had these before?
Yeah.
Okay, so baby's gonna try them, y'all. They good?
How did the pool some?
These are good.
These actually taste
Cheddar
like
barbecue.
these taste like Doritos, but a hot cheese on them.
Cheddar barbecue, y'all. You can get these from your supermarket, ShopRite.
From the meals?
These are banging. They rocking, right?
And we're going to take a picture to see what kind of tricks they have. Like,
That's Snoop Doggy Dogg right there.
like we already did. When we should take a picture of these, the chips look so good. We was so dramatic about the little chips. We will take a picture of it. Share on Google.
Okay, guys, we want to go to the gym
Yeah.
and go see what the boys doing.
Yeah, I'm gonna work out.
Okay. We'll be back.
I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
Moments later.
Okay, guys, so I'm in Virginia and we don't have a City Trends in Jersey, so I wanted to go in here and look at the things that they have, y'all.
I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, 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 yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy.
We got kind of hungry, so we stopped at this place called Bojangles. We don't have that in New Jersey, so we stopped here. The food was rocking. Comment below if you guys ever ate at Bojangles. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do a quick makeup look using some of the products that I had purchased in my last video here. And I'm just going to see how some of those products work really quickly, y'all. So I'm using my Holy Hydration Makeup Cleanser. Let me bring it up closer. So this is a Holy Hydration, and I'm going to use this to cleanse my face. This is the Melting Balm, Cleansing Balm, okay? So I believe this is a makeup cleanser, and I'm gonna use this because I still have a little bit of makeup on my face. So I did say in that last video I was gonna try this makeup cleanser. That feels so good. And I'm just going to get all the makeup off my skin. Okay, so I just used this, and this melting cleanser, it does get the makeup off a lot. It is a bit oily. So if you have oily skin, you have to make sure you really get this product off your face. But other than that, it does get the makeup off. It does get the job done. And I'm gonna give it a 8, but it is good. It does get the makeup off your face, and it's a great product. I'm gonna give it an 8. I just don't like that it's really, really oily, so you only need a little bit, and a little bit will go a long way. So I'm gonna rate this e.l.f. product an 8. To me, it's a bit oily, but it does get all your makeup off. You just have to make sure you wash your face really well to get all the makeup off. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to apply my Sun Touchable e.l.f. I used this in that last video as well, and I'm gonna try this. This is a Whoa Glow Sun Touchable Primer. So I'm gonna apply this on my skin next. Okay, so I'm applying this product. Now this feels really good. I must give this a 10. I love how this feels. This is Sun Touchable, and this feels really good. And it does protect you from the sun. That's the great thing about it. It have SPF 30 sunscreen in it as well. So this has been trending all over social media, guys. Okay, so once I applied that, I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to just put a little pencil, brow pencil. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. brow pencil, guys, and this is in the shade of dark brown. So I'm gonna just use this and just put some pencil on my eyes. Babe, what you doing? I see you.
No, you don't.
You gonna wave to the people? You can wave.
Okay.
I don't know why this pencil takes too long to This pencil is hard to come out. Damn. Okay, guys, now I'm going to apply my Holy Hydration Eye Cream, and I'm going to see how this feels, guys. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just trying to prepare because we have to travel to Virginia to take care of some things. So we're going to be leaving Maryland and we're going to be going to Virginia. So I'm just going to take care of some personal business, and I wanted to go for a ride. I love riding, y'all. So this feels really good. It feels like it's cooling my under eyes down, y'all. So I love how this feels. Like, this feels really good. I'm gonna give this a 10. Once again, this is the Holy Hydration Eye Cream. This product feels good. Okay, so now we're going to apply, I'm gonna apply some foundation, pop on some lashes, nothing too harsh, something real quick and simple. I just wanted to try out a few I just wanted to try out a few of these products that I had showed you guys on my last video. So okay, so I apply some concealer, some foundation, and I'm just gonna start blending this in my skin. Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me know what y'all think. I went in with some purple, I went in with some white pencil on my waterline, and I just put in some color this time. I felt like some color. Comment below and let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like this look? I will see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, stay healthy, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Love ya. See you in the next video.